Today we are going to dive into another Excel function that can make your spreadsheet work a whole lot easier. That's right, it's time to talk about the LEN function. The LEN functions is a simple yet powerful tools in Excel. It's used to count the number of characters in a cell, which can be incredibly handy and various scenario, whether you are working with text, number, or a mix of both. The LEN function can help you quickly get the information you need. But enough of the intro. So let's jump right in and see how this function works. So I will be Excel tutorial and I'm gonna show up with the example here. I prepared the customer's name or something, then I want to use LEN function in the result or the different cell. So right here the LEN then returns the number of the characters in a string, then use the parenthesis. Then I want to find out the length of Excel in the overall, this one, then pause it on the OK. So here we got it, the 16 of the length in this text. So if you count the manually, it's auto come up, and also it's count the spaces between the word. Okay, now let's move into the rest of data and I want to apply to them. So here we got it, and this is our 10 days, and here we got the length is 10, and here it's also count the dot and with the data or with the number. For this reason we got here the 6. Okay, so by this applying the LEN function you can easily get it. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you Excel enthusiasts out there. We will be diving into the mid function, which is a powerful text function in Excel that allow you to extract specific character from a text writing. Before we dive into the syntax and example, let's understand what the mid functions. The mid functions in Excel is used to extract a specific number of characters from a text string at a specific position. Okay, now if I want to show up the syntax of mid functions, right here equal and write the mid, then the here first on the text argument is the text string from which you want to extract characters. Okay, the next one is the start number, and this is the argument is the positions from which you want to start texting character. Then the number characters, the num characters, the argument is the number of the characters you want to exit it. Okay, so let's start with the example. Say we have the customer's name and we want to use the the mid functions to find out the Excel, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I will select this one, then I want to, this is the text, then comma, then start number. I want to start from the E. So here I say the 1, then the next one the number of characters. So how many characters do you want to check from or state from the here? So I want to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So right here the 5 and close it with the parenthesis. So here we got it, the Excel in there, and we used the mid functions. Now let's move into the next customer name and use here the mid function, and again I want to use the text from this one, then use the start number. So I want to use in So I started here is the 5 and 6, and I want to write here the 7, then I want to keep like that 2, then close it, hit on the OK. So here got it. Now same way we will use this one. So here the mid function, then stack, select this one, then the start number. I want to start, we have here the 7, then 8, we can say the 5 6 7 8 9, and this is the 10. So right here the 10, and I want to use overall 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So right here the 7 and close it, hit on the OK. So by this way you can easily use the mid functions to extract the specific data or specific text from your workbook. So there's a wrap up for our Excel mid functions tutorial. We are covered what the mid functions is and its syntax, and provide example for your work. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.